There are some tools where I feel visceral pain when I have to open them up and use them. That is never the case with Notion.
I think the tools that you choose for your team are a direct extension of their day-to-day. Spend so much of their time in them. If it makes them happy, it makes them happy, but if it makes them frustrated, that's a direct correlation of what you value as an organization. We are serving retailers and makers who are creatives themselves, and we're so inspired by them, and it's why we do the work that we do. So Notion, as a tool itself, embracing the same principles that we use as a design, is an incredible canvas for us to do that.
Prior to Notion AI, we had a pain point, which is like, where is this document? Notion allows people to very quickly cut through the noise. So instead of having to go look through Google Docs and Slack to find a piece of information from 12 or 18 months ago, you can just go to one place and it'll turn up the context that you need.
This is our workspace for essentially everything. We have like 7 years worth of content in Notion.
I used it the other day and it pulled something up from like 2019. And I was like, wow, I would not have found that myself. Thanks for having like an amazing memory.
You can essentially do everything. You can use Notion AI rather than going to ChatGPT, feeding it a huge prompt with all of this context about Faire, and just use Notion AI to not only create and document things, but find insights, metrics, best practices across the company, connect the dots between different teams. Agents will just further evolve Notion to be like the one-stop tool.
It's not this coworker that's coming in this year and trying to figure everything out. It's a coworker that's been around, that really knows and has genuine context for why we've made certain decisions. If you plug that into an agent, you're going to get a really good experience.
One of the things as you scale as an org is, what is everybody working on? How is it all related to each other? And how can we better bring those things together so we understand what are we doing as a company as a whole, instead of what is my team doing here? And Notion is kind of the hub that brings all of those pieces together.
Sort of helps compress the upfront part of the product development process where teams are sort of in the understand phase.
Roadmaps tend to go stale like the week after you create them. And so if you put them in Notion, it's a lot easier for them to stay up to date, and it's a lot easier for people to find.
When we start a project in that roadmap, a PRD is created in a database, which is then linked to the teams. So everything is really interconnected and everything is central and all searchable.
Having everything in one place just makes it easier for the teams that you support to actually do their job effectively.
The fact that we're able to free up a bunch of time for people to really spend on the deeper thinking that they need to do to build products for our customers is pretty rewarding.
We're all in. We're all bought in. It's another arm of Faire. It has been such a part of the way that we work over time. It has grown with us. It has evolved with us, that we've built a relationship with this tool and the way that we work in it.
How much time are you spending searching for information? How much time are you spending updating everyone on your team? If you're spending more than an hour on that a week, then that's time you could get back.